Hi, hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to talk about what are the common causes for cough pains. Patients presenting with cough pain is very common in the clinical practice. So we'll see what are the common causes. So usually the muscle cramps. Patient will have muscle cramps. It can be due to dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, or when there is no stretching before doing exercises and all. Okay, muscle cramps are very common. Coming to other common reasons are if there is any problem in the back, even that pain gets radiated to the cough. Okay, so we have to examine the spine as well. Okay, if there is cough pain. Coming to other conditions, like sometimes there can be arterial claudication. Okay, friends. Arterial claudication means when there is a block in the arteries, like it can be in the popliteal artery or in the femoral vessels, the patient will get the cough pain. So we need to check for the pulse as well. Okay, then there sometimes it can be neurological claudication. So neurological claudication, it can be due to spinal canal stenosis, where the patient will have pain relief on forward bending. Okay, pain relief with forward bending is more favorable towards neurological claudication. So that's the reason we have to examine the spine as well whenever the patient complains of cough pains. Okay, coming to other reasons, sometimes it can be varicose veins. So we need to clinically see the leg if there are any dilated, tortuous, engorged veins. In case of varicose veins, the veins or the leg will be dilated, tortuous and engorged. Okay, we need to see. And coming to other causes, sometimes it can be deep vein thrombosis. So what is deep vein thrombosis? As the name suggests, in the deep veins there will be thrombus formation. Okay friends, that is the reason we have to evaluate properly. We need to check the pulse, we need to examine the spine, we need to ask like whether he is taking sufficient amount of water daily or not. Whenever there is any electrolyte imbalance, then also we can get the cough pains. Like if the patient is taking less amount of vitamin D, even vitamin D deficiency can also cause cough pains. Okay, sometimes compartment syndrome can also be there. Okay, so what is compartment syndrome? Whenever there is history of trauma to the leg, okay, there need not be a fracture, but when there is a history of trauma to the leg, if there is a severe injury, the leg gets swollen. Okay, then also the patient will complain of the cough pain. And also we need to see for cellulitis, whether it's a just cough pain or cellulitis of the leg. So cellulitis is a bacterial infection of the leg which should be treated properly. We have to do blood investigations and we have to give the IV antibiotics. Okay, so for arterial claudication the treatment is different, for varicose veins the treatment is different, for neurological claudication the treatment is different. So we need to examine the patient as a whole. So just to summarize, what are the causes? Muscle cramps, deep vein thrombosis, varicose veins, arterial claudication, neurological claudication, compartment syndrome. Sometimes even shin splints can cause the cough pains. So what is the shin splint? I will make a separate video on that. So shin splints means it is not related with the cough pain. It is not the problem in the cough. Especially in the runners, they feel pain in the shin of the tibia. Okay friends, so these are the common causes. Sometimes even Achilles tendinitis can cause the cough pain. Okay friends, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.